अभी तो लोग गाड़ियों में गए हैं, लिफ्ट गंडोला में गए हैं, बट फॉर टू गो इन अ हेलीकॉप्टर इट्स अ टोटली डिफरेंट लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस है. माय नेम इज मजीद बख्शी एंड आई एम फ्रॉम कश्मीर. And honestly, like, this aircraft was for skiing, to drop up on the mountain and then ski down. And from couple of years now we are using it for local tourists in Gulmarg. And we are have huge number of tourists arriving every day in Gulmarg. And अभी बहुत टूरिस्ट ना इसमें एंजॉय भी कर रहे हैं. इट्स फर्स्ट टाइम हैपनिंग इन कश्मीर, तो अच्छा चल रहा है.
तो क्या वर्थ है इस प्लेन की?
ऑलमोस्ट $5 million.
तो कैसे आपने सोचा कि दिस इज द राइट बिजनेस टू इन्वेस्ट इन?
It's pretty risky business, because if you don't have experience in this business, then you're gonna be properly bankrupt. But if you have experience, and we will you will manage to handle an aircraft here. Cost भी ज़्यादा है, तो manageable है then.
हाउ मेनी एम्प्लॉयज डू वर्क हियर?
Almost like 20 to 30 employees we
एंड
have
डू यू
here.
हैव पायलट्स, को-पायलट्स?
We have two pilots here. Always one pilot is flying and then one is having rest.
So,
So
where did you get the design of this plane?
this is designed in France, Airbus. तो उन्होंने ये पेंटिंग वेंटिंग की है. इट इज़ फॉर माउंटेन्स, और इसमें लाइन भी है ऊपर. तो इट्स इंडियन पेंटिंग, बट इट वाज पेंटेड इन फ्रांस.
तो कैसे ये टूरिस्ट को अट्रैक्ट करता है टू दिस डेस्टिनेशन?
दिस इज अ प्रेटी न्यू एडवेंचरस एक्टिविटी. और अभी तो लोग गाड़ियों में गए हैं, लिफ्ट गंडोला में गए हैं, बट फॉर टू गो इन अ हेलीकॉप्टर इट्स अ टोटली डिफरेंट लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस है. वी चार्ज pretty minimum amount, like 15,000, 11,000, and 8,500 rupees. These are the three prices we are having in Gulmarg. 15,000 may we drop at them at Sunshine Mountain, and after a couple of hours we bring them back to here.
Do you plan to add more to your planes?
Yes, couple of places we're gonna start. Hopefully this year or next year, in Sonmarg and in Pahalgam, and also in Kedarnath. So we are planning to do also flying there.
What are the safety precautionary measures taken in the plane?
We are taking very serious precautions. No compromise with the safety. So हमेशा safe है. We did not have a single incident from last 14 years.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we are the first people to go onto the sunset viewpoint today, and it's worth the experience. And we could see all the mountains and the Himalayas around, and the people over there also are very excellent. It's my parents' 30th anniversary, so we came here to celebrate it, and we love the experience of the helicopter ride. And the sunset viewpoint is beautiful. No people around, but amazing.
How did you get the idea that people are flying in Gulmarg?
We just got to know after coming over here that there's a helicopter ride to the sunset point.
So, do you think it's worth the money?
Yeah, it's completely worth the money.
So, do you plan to come other time and do the same thing?
Yeah, definitely.
It's worth the kick?
Yeah, yeah.